Hello, this is my second tomato plant, and I'm going to harvest some of the tomatoes from here. You can see this is right now two tomatoes are here, and then let's see the other side. Right now this plant is leaning toward the basil plant also, so basil and tomato, they are mixed together right now. And here on this side you can see three small tomatoes, four, and then here is the again 3, 4, and here there are many of these, you can see in my here, and these are again. So this plant has so many tomatoes, still they are green in color, and here if you see, they are red tomatoes are hidden here, so I'm going to pluck them. So this tomato is almost getting slowly red. This is another one. So there are more than 24 I think tomatoes, so I have plucked this one. One is very nice. So this is one, and this is another one. See, it's very beautiful. And I have another one more red. They are all hidden in the back side. 3 tomatoes. And but surprising thing, I have seen these small bugs. If you see these red ants here, I don't know why, from where they come, and they are usually they stay around the tomatoes. So let me take one more tomato, see which one is getting better. I think this will be enough. There is one more here, you can see this green one. So right now I can get only 3 tomatoes, and they are really good organic tomato. So let's see how much I got it today. So I have here balance, and let me put these into the balance. So they are more than 200 grams, you can see on my balance. And if I remove this tomato, and then so 40 gram is around 40 gram the plate, and then here I have around 230. So these 3 tomatoes around 200 gram. So my outside gardening for this tomato plants is growing very nice. And here is the second tomato crop which I harvested, and will show you later on when I will get it more. Okay, thanks.